To make our center searchers, we need 2 toilet paper rolls, pipe cleaners, a brush, red paint, a piece of string, glitter, and glue. If your table is not supposed to get dirty, I would advise you to put an old piece of newspaper on the table so it won't get full of glitter, glue, or paint. So first, you have to color the toilet paper rolls. I just put some paint on the toilet paper roll and spread it with a brush. As easy as that. Now you need to let it dry. Looks like they're almost dry. So I want to put red glitter onto my toilet paper rolls as well. So I need the glitter and liquid glue. So I'm going to put some liquid glue onto my toilet paper rolls and spread it with my brush. Wow, they look so pretty. Now we need to let them dry again. Don't forget to clean your brush and your workplace. Okay, I think we're good to go. So now we need our glue to stick these 2 toilet paper rolls together. Now it needs to dry again. It's all dry now. The only thing we need to do now is to attach the string. You can use your glue to stick the string with the glue onto the center searches, but I will be doing it with my stapler. So here's my piece of string, and I'll just attach it to my center searches. And now we can start to look for Santa. Whew. I saw a lot of things. And that I won't forget what I saw, please print out one of these Center Searcher worksheets and look at the next video to find out how to fill these out.